අයියගේ නම මොකක්ද අයියා? ජයන්ත අයියා මොකද හිතන්නේ? ජයන්තගේ බල්ලාගෙන ආවද කොහොමද මෙතනට? කකුලේ අමාරුව තියෙන එක්කෙනා. දැන් බේත් කරලා එනකන් ඉන්නේ. මොකද අයියා හිතන්නේ අපේ මේ සමාජ සත්කාරය ගැන මොකද හිතන්නේ මෙතනට අපි දැන් ඔයගොල්ලෝ ගමට ඇවිල්ලා මේ කරන වැඩේ ගැන?
මේ වගේ ප්‍රදේශයක මේ වගේ දෙයක් කියනවා නම්
අය කියන්නේ කතරගම ප්‍රදේශයේ බල්ල වැඩි කියලා නේද?
ඇත්තටම වැඩි. එහෙම දෙයක් කරන එක නම් ලොකුම
උදව්වක්. Hi, I'm Moshidi. For the ones who don't know, I'm a co-founder of Pavithra Dog, and we are here in Kataragama for our third camp, and we're hoping to sterilize 200 dogs, and this is like our second day, and it's going quite well. And this is Iraqi and Hasini and Pavithra behind in the camera. I don't know what the names of these doggies are. We basically found them on the road, so we brought them for vaccination, and it's been amazing out here. If not for all you guys, we would never be able to like find all the funds needed. It almost costed us 5 lakhs this time because we're sterilizing 200 doggies. I am Hasini. And like we've been here for 2 days and we're having a lot of fun with these people. Yeah, people, dogs are people. And dogs, yeah. So we just found these 3 on the road, and mommy and son and the daughter, we brought them for vaccination. We just want to thank you guys for all the funding, the support and the cross-posting, and I never thought we would be able to like collect 5 lakhs almost to like sterilize 200 doggies. So thank you so much.